The following videos will complement other detailed information provided in your assembly instructions and owner's manual. Before assembling, ensure you have a system layout that shows what leg kits and dock sections go together. Before getting started, it is important to have a dock layout to ensure that you install the proper size leg kits on each section. Our Design-A-Dock tool is ideal to help you lay out and visualize the dock system prior to assembly and installation. In order to do the assembly, you will need the following tools. Flip the dock section upside down and place it on a soft surface or wood blocks to ensure the deck surface does not get scratched. Dock sections come standard with 4 leg pockets, but generally only 2 are used for straight-out dock sections. Slide a 1/2-inch aluminum nut into the track of the leg pocket from step number 1 on your fastener card. Thread the knob bolt through the leg pocket and into the nut. Do not tighten the knob bolt at this time. Insert the leg into the leg pocket as shown. Note the orientation of the stop blocks welded to the front and back of the leg. Rocking the leg assembly while hand tightening the knob bolt will help to ensure that the leg is seated and the knob bolt is adequately tightened. If the leg moves in the pocket, the knob bolt needs to be tightened further. Do not use any tools on the knob bolt. Slide the brace clamp over the leg with the tab toward the center of the dock, as shown. Insert the fasteners from step 2 of your fastener card. Do not tighten yet. Place a V-brace in the V-brace mount using a safety snap pin. Adjust the V-brace bracket up or down to allow the installation of the fasteners from step 3 on your fastener card. Tighten the nut on the V-brace and torque to 5 foot-pounds. Tighten the nut and bolt on the V-brace bracket clamp and torque to 20 foot-pounds. Attach the sand pad to the dock leg using the fasteners from step 4 on your fastener card. Torque to 10 foot-pounds. Repeat this process on the other leg in the kit. Before getting started, it is important to have a dock layout to ensure that you install the proper amount of quick connects in the correct location on each section. Our Design-A-Dock tool is ideal to help you lay out and visualize the dock system prior to assembly and installation. In order to do the assembly, you will need the following tools. When adding another dock section, the quick connects are attached to the dock by inserting them into the track that runs along the entire edge of the quick attached dock. This allows you to add dock sections and accessories anywhere you want them. Attach a quick connect to both sides of the dock. It is very important that the quick connects are placed as far apart as possible to accept the next dock section. This ensures the dock sections will stay perfectly aligned and provide maximum stability. Once the quick connects are spread out to the edges in order to keep the sections from shifting, you must tighten the bottom bolt on each quick connect before installing the section into the water and before adding another section. This will ensure the quick connects stay in place. Use a 9/16" wrench to tighten the bottom bolt, then torque to 6 foot-pounds. Repeat on the other quick connect. After you've determined where the dock will be placed in the water, set the first section in. You must level it in both directions at the proper height. Typically, the dock deck height should be set at a minimum of 17 inches off the water, or as high as needed to allow the largest waves to flow under the dock. Place the second section in and level it in both directions. Once installed and leveled, tighten the horizontal bolt on the quick connect to lock the sections together. Use a 9/16" wrench to tighten the horizontal bolt, then torque to 8 foot-pounds. Repeat on the other quick connect. Additional straight-out dock sections can be added by placing quick connects at the end of each preceding section. Thank you for choosing FLOE. Please consult your local dealer if you need additional assistance.